Alright, so finding the surface area of a triangular prism can be a little bit complicated because there's a lot of steps. But if you break it down just one part at a time, it should seem really not too bad. It's just finding areas of rectangles and finding areas of triangles. Alright, so if I'm looking at this large shape right here, I'm noticing I've got 4 different links going on. So this length down here at the bottom, you can count, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so I'm going to put a 6 right here. The height, straight up and down, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll put a 4 for that height. The slanted height, this part right here, if I count on the side, a little bit harder, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the bottom piece, or the side length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so 4 by 5 by 10. Alright, if I'm trying to take this and find the surface area, I need to know there's 5 sides. There's the front, right, left, bottom, and back. Alright, the right side, let's start with the right side. Let me highlight this. I'll highlight this in the color we haven't used, so let's highlight the right side in green. This is a rectangle here, and it's 10 by 5. So I took a screenshot of that right side, and this is it right here. We just said this is 5 by 10. Alright, so that means this has an area of 50. Area equals 50. Alright, but that's the right side. I also have a left side, so I have another area equals 50. Okay, changing colors, let me do the triangle on the front. So, triangle on the front here, let me change the highlighter. This is 6 by 4. My coloring skills are obviously amazing. So that's this triangle. Oh. That is this triangle right here. And we just said this is 6 wide and 4 tall. So to find a triangle, I just multiply and then divide by 2. So 6 times 4 is 24, divided by 2, that equals 12. So the area of the front triangle is 12. I also have the back triangle is another 12. Alright, so 12 for the front, 12 for the back. And don't forget we've got 50 for the right side, 50 for the left side. Finally, I have the bottom. Let me highlight the bottom in red. Alright, this bottom is the same as this piece right this piece right here. Okay, if we look at this, this is 10 by 6, so that has an area of 60, and I'm only going to put 160 because there's just the bottom, there's no top. Alright, so just the bottom there, so I've got 60 for the bottom, 50 for the right, 50 for the left, 12 for the front, 12 for the back. If I add that all up, 50 plus 50 is 100, 100 plus 60 is 160, 160 plus 12 is 172, plus 12 is 184. So the total surface area is 184.